Hello kids, Shubhamangalam at Little Scholar High School. Myself Mrs. Nazrina taking class 2 subject science. Class 2 subject science. Already we have discussed first lesson children and exercises. Open your science textbook. Exercises. 4 exercises already completed. Yes children, you should write this neatly. And now today we will be discussing 11th paper, page number 11. Open your textbook, page number 11. See, draw a picture of yourself in the box given below. Label your body parts. What they told, like this we have here parts of our body children. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. So you should draw a body and you should label the parts of the body. Yes, they are asking you to draw a body and label the parts of a body. You should do it neatly children. Draw the picture of any boy and you can label the parts like eyes, ears, nose, neck, hands, fingers, leg. So you should draw a boy's picture and you should label the parts. Life skill, match the names of the body parts which their shape. Shadows, these are shadows. Shadows will be black in color. You know shadow children? Yes, when the light is back of us, our shadow will fall in front of us. If the light is back, our shadow will fall in front of us. How the shadow will be? Shadow will be black in color. So these are the shadows. By seeing these shadows, can you say me what is this? Yes, this is hand. What is the second one? Head. Third one, foot. Fourth one, stomach. This is stomach children. See how stomach is? Stomach is like a bag. Whatever we eat that goes inside the stomach. Stomach is like a bag. Now we will match this. You do along with me children. I will do that on the board. You do it in your textbooks. What is this? Which picture is this? And where is hand first read? H-E-A-D, head. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. H-A-N-D, hand. F-O-O-T, foot. Once again. H-E-A-D, head. S-T-O-M-A-C-H, stomach. H-A-N-D, hand. F-O-O-T, foot. Now we will match children. What is this? Hand. Where is hand? C1. Where is hand? C1. So come on, match and C1. Then what is this? What is this next picture? Shadow. Head. Where is head children? H-E-A-D, head. A1. So draw to A. Draw to A. Now which shadow is this? Foot. Where is foot? F-O-O-T, foot. D1. F-O-O-T, foot. Which one is this? Which picture shadow is this? Stomach. Which picture shadow is this? Stomach. Where is stomach in this? B1. Where is stomach? B1. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. So, match to it. Like this, you will match the pictures to the word. Match the pictures to the words. Come on, read once again. H-E-A-D, head. This is head, children. Stomach. This is stomach, children. Stomach is like a bag. H-A-N-D, hand. Everybody check your hand. Yes, this is our hand. Then F-O-O-T, foot, where you will wear shoes, socks. That part is known as foot. Is it clear children? Do this very neatly in your textbooks. Now we will go to next one. Value-based activity. Value-based activity. See here. I will explain this. You can read page number 11, 8. Afterwards you can read. First listen to me. How many sense organs we have? 5. What are those? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skin. What do eyes help us? How eyes help us? See. Eyes help us to see. Ears help us to hear. Nose help us to smell. Tongue help us to taste. Skin help us to sense. Yes children. So once what happened? All these 5 sense organs are fighting among themselves. All these 5 sense organs are fighting among themselves, saying that I am important. Eye is saying that I am very important. Without me you can't see. Ears are saying that I am also very important. Without me you can't hear. Tongue says that I am very very important because without me you can't taste any food. Skin is saying that I am very important because without me you can't feel anything. You can't feel whether this is hot or cold or whether the weather is cool or hot. So all the five sense organs are fighting among themselves. Nose also saying that no, I am very important then all four of you. I am very important then all four of you. Without me you can't smell. So all these five sense organs are fighting among themselves. Is it correct, children? We want all these five sense organs to be healthy, yes or no? All these five sense organs are very important. All these five sense organs are very important. Eyes are important to see, ears are important to hear, nose is important to smell, tongue is important to taste, skin is important to sense things. So all five sense organs are very important in our life to complete our day-to-day activities. So here they are fighting that I am great, I am great. Is it correct? No, all five sense organs are very important, children. See here, read. Eyes are what eyes are saying? Without me you cannot see the world. What eyes are saying? I am very important. Without me what is there around you? You can't see. Now ears are saying, without me you cannot hear any sound. Ears are saying that I am very important because without me you cannot hear any sound. Skin is saying that without me you cannot feel any warm or cold. Whether it is warm or cold we cannot feel without skin. Then tongue says without me you cannot taste. Without me you cannot taste. Then nose is smelling. No, I am very important because without me you cannot smell. Is it correct? No, they all are wrong because all these five sense organs are very important in our life. So we will tick here. See, whom do you like the most important? Whom do you like the most important? Is eyes only important for you? No. Is only ears are important for you? No. Nose is only important for us? No. Skin is important for us? No. Tongue is important? No. All these five are important to us, not one. Not one sense organ is important for us. We need all five sense organs. So all five sense organs are equally important to us. All five sense organs are equally important to us. So what is given F1? All are equally important. All five sense organs are equally important. So which box you will tick? You will tick the F box. Which box you will tick, children? F1. All are equally important. Only eyes are important? No. Only ears are important? No. Only skin is important? No. Only nose is important? No. Only tongue is important? No. All five are important. So F1, all are equally important. So in this F bit you will put a tick mark because all five sense organs are very important. Then how you will take care of these sense organs? I have already told you all these five sense organs are very important. Then how you should take care? You should wash your eyes with cool water. Don't put anything in your ears. If you want to clean your ears, you should take a earbud and you should clean. Don't put anything in your nose. As children, you should take care of your sense organs so that you will be healthy. You will be healthy. Tongue help us in taste. How you should clean your tongue? Every day morning after brushing you should take a tongue cleaner and clean your tongue. Brush properly, children. Brush your teeth properly. Clean your tongue properly. And how you should keep care of your skin? Yes, you should take bath every day so that your skin will be healthy. You should take bath and take care of your skin. So all these five are very important in our life and we should take care of the sense organs. Now move to page number 12, children. Move to page number 12. Here see, draw a line to match each sense organ to its correct picture. You should draw a line to match to these sense organs. Here pictures are given, sense organ pictures, and here words are given. Eyes, seeing. Smell, which part of the organ shows a smell? Nose. Taste, tongue. Tongue helps us in taste. Touch, if somebody touches you, how you will feel? If somebody touches, you will come to know that somebody is touching me. How? With the help of skin. Skin says us. Ear, we will hear through our ears. So what is this? We should match now. We should match. What this boy is doing? He have many varieties of dishes in his plate. He is smelling that. He is smelling. So which sense organ will help us in smell? Nose. Yes, children. So he is smelling here. S-M-E-L-L, smell is there. So you will draw a line to smell. Next, what this girl is doing? She is eating ice cream. She is eating ice cream. She is using her tongue to taste ice cream. She is using her tongue to taste ice cream. So tongue, tasting. Here, ice cream, taste. You will draw a line to taste. What this boy is doing? He is listening to music. Listening to music. So, where is that? Ears. He is hearing to music. Next, eyes seeing. Now what this girl have in her plate? She have ice cubes. She is putting her hand and touching and seeing how the ice cubes will be, children. It will be cool. If you put your hand, you will come to know. Yes. So she is touching and feeling. She is touching the things. If we can touch and feel the things. Yes, we can touch like this and we can say this is book. You can touch your hair and you can say this is my hair. Yes or no? We can touch our dress and we can say yes, this is a cloth. This is my dress. So touch. She is touching ice cubes and feeling that ice cubes are cool. So now we will draw a line. Now what this boy is doing? Smell. So draw a line to smell. Do along with me. Draw a line to smell. Now what she is doing? She is tasting ice cream. So draw a line to taste. Draw a line to taste. Then touch. She is touching ice cubes. No? Touch. Draw a line to touch. Ear. He is hearing music. He is hearing music. Eyes see, already done. Eyes see, already done. Nose smell. Come on, say eyes see. Nose smell. Tongue taste. Skin touch. Ears ear. Ears ear. Do these, children. Like this you should match the words to the pictures. Match the words to the pictures. Now see this. Write the names of the following organs in the space provided below. These all are the parts which are inside our body. Which are inside our body. Yes, we can't see these organs. Yes, we can't see these organs because they are placed inside our body. What is this? Can you say me? See the picture and say what is this? Yes, this is brain. What is this? Brain. Where brain is, children? Brain is inside our head. We can't see brain because it is inside our head. Which part of the organ is this? Heart. Yes, where is the heart? Little left. You put your hand and check. You can see, you can hear your heart sound. Heart. What is this, children? This is stomach. See, it is like a bag. Whatever you eat, it goes here in this bag. This is stomach. So we will write here, children. Write below here. Write it here. B-R-A-I-N. Brain. Right, children? Second bit. Write on the lines. B-R-A-I-N. Brain. Second one is H-E-A-R-T. Heart. Third one is S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. Come on, write these three here. Below the space given here, black lines. In that black lines, write these three, children. What is the first one? Brain. Second one, heart. Third one, stomach. Come on, write it. B-R-A-I-N. Brain in the first line. B-R-A-I-N. Brain. Second, H-E-A-R-T. Heart. Third one, S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach. Is it clear, children? So, write these three below the space, black lines given here. Complete these two papers very neatly, children. Page number 11 and 12, write it neatly. Is it clear? And once again, you should go through your lesson. Read the lesson and learn these objectives. Read the lesson, learn new terms, learn objectives, children. Learn question answers. and you should go through the lesson one more time and you should learn page number 10 and complete this page number 11 and 12 very neatly. Is it clear, children? Read once again. Try to read all the sentences. Spell. If you don't know, spell and read. If you don't know, spell and read. EYES, eyes. HELP, help. US, us. TO2, SEEC. If you don't know to read, you spell each and every letter and you try to read, children. Read the lesson, learn the objective. Is it clear, children? Complete this. First lesson should be completed. We have completed first lesson, so your first lesson should be completed. Is it clear? Okay, children. Thank you. Bye.